Hi, and welcome to the Walter Maps tutorials. In this tutorial I will show you how to translate Walter Maps into your own language. Out of the box, Walter Maps supports English and Swedish. In order to translate Walter Maps to your own language, you have to translate the English language file into your own language. First of all, download the English language file from the link shown on the screen. Secondly, you should open the file in an editor that supports saving in UTF-8 format. I usually use the free editor BabelPad for that purpose. This is how the English language file looks like in BabelPad. The first line in the language file is the language string, in this case English. Let's say you want to translate Walter Maps to Russian. Then you can directly type Cyrillic characters into the file. So for Russian language, I start translating the first line to Ruski. I use Google Translate to get the correct translation. I copy that text and then I paste it into the text editor. I want the capital R. I'll open the character map tool. I mark the capital R. I insert it. Then I will start to translate all the other text strings in the language file. The strings you're going to translate are the strings after the first word at each text line. Like that. Like that. And like that. And so on. So I'll continue to translate this line. What do you want to send? I'll make a copy of that. And then I paste it into Google Translate. We'll make a copy of that. And then I'll paste it into my text file. Okay, let's say we have finished translating this language file. Then we have to save it as a UTF-8 8-bit encoded format. Let's select that. And then I'll choose a suitable name like Russian.lang. I'll save it. The next thing I should do is to upload the language file to my Dropbox. I just drag it to my folder of choice on Dropbox. The next thing I want to do is to download the language file to Walter Maps. I'll press the stack of layers icon down to the right, and then I press the plus sign to the right. I press the Dropbox plus sign to the left, and then I'll navigate to my folder where I put the language file. In this case, I put it under Walter Maps, language. I'll choose the Russian language file, like that. And then I have to select the language in the general settings section like this. Go back to the map, and then I press the gear icon to the right. And then I navigate down to language, like that. And then I can choose the Ruski language. As you see, I didn't fully translate the Russian language file, so you won't see that much difference between Russian and English. So for example, if I want to send the vector layer in the map by email, I'll press the stack of layers icon down to the right, and I press the arrow icon to the right. I press the email send icon to the left. I choose the selected layer, and here you see that one of the strings actually was translated to Russian. Okay, that was all for now, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.